How to get TurboTax promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in turbotax.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of TurboTax. Now you can go ahead and log into your account. All you need to do is type in your credentials over here and log in. After you log in, you can head towards the section where you want to pay the tax. While you confirm the amount, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, you can type in the code, and with that, you will get the discount. But how can you get TurboTax promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in TurboTax promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get TurboTax promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Wired. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that 10% coupon code, $58 coupon code, $22 coupon code, $14 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on copy code. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of TurboTax, log into your account, and apply this code. If you want to redeem this code right away, just click on this option of Visit TurboTax. With that, you will be directed to the official website of TurboTax, log into your account, and apply the coupon code. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Over here, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for TurboTax. So this is how you can easily get $10 TurboTax promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.